morning. In this session, in research methodology, the topic is open source and the free alternative of MS Office. Open source and the free alternatives of MS Office. Microsoft Office is a commercially licensed software developed by a single vendor. Microsoft Office is a corporate company, so that need profit for this business to product development, testing, marketing, salaries, and shareholder dividends. So this is the introduction to open source and the free alternatives of MS Office. And open source is the result of enthusiasm for individual innovation also. And to compare with the MS Office, the open source and free alternative of MS Office, there exist many open office suites. That is, it is an online office suite, because the office suite what we studied previously, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. It is the software or operating system. And while coming to the open source, it is a free open office suite which is used by the required persons. And here we can see the different kinds of free alternatives of MS Office are LibreOffice. LibreOffice is an open source, is a fork for Epic Open Office. This LibreOffice is available for Windows version of computer system, Mac and Linux. LibreOffice suite contains 6 programs to cover every common office task, that is office requirements, like a writer, calculator, impress, draw, math and base. These are all the programs, 6 type of programs which is available free as LibreOffice, that is open source office, MS Office program. And the second one is OpenOffice. OpenOffice is the short name of OpenOffice.org. OpenOffice is an open source office suite. It is also free online operating system. OpenOffice suite include a word processor or writer, a spreadsheet that is abbreviated as Calc, and a presentation application Impress, and a drawing application Draw, and a formula editor named as Math, and a database management application called Base. And these are all the open source office suite available in OpenOffice. Okay, the default file format of OpenOffice is Open Document Format, which is abbreviated as ODF. It could also read a wide variety of other file formats with particular attention to those from Office. That is the applicability of these open source or free alternative of MS Office. And along with this, we can see there are free alternative of MS Office. The another kind is search engines. A search engine is an application of used for information retrieval from large scale data collection at the World Wide Web. www, what we use in Google search. It is a large or wide search engine for collection of more information or literature from the online or free online process. And the information may be a mix of links to web pages, images, then video, infographics, articles, research papers, and other types of files which is available in search engines. Okay, search engines also maintain real-time information. That is, at time we will get the information by running an algorithm on a web crawler. So we can crawl out all these up-to-date or timely information from these search engines. And the example for the search engine, one of the famous search engine is Google.com, is the most popular search engine in the world. It is also referred as Google Search, Google Web Search, or simply Google. Google search engine is developed by Google LLC. The Google search provides many different options for customized search using symbols to include, exclude, specify, or require certain search behavior, and offers specialized interactive experiences through Google.com or Google search. And the other kind of search engines are meta search engines than that of Google search. Meta search engines also available free in online. That is, meta search engines are powerful tools that collect results simultaneously from multiple search engines and combine the result before the present level. Okay, they use, that is, the meta search engines use the index built by others and aggregating and often post processing results in unique way, in an orderly way. And these meta search engine assembles these results into a single unit, and the most noticeable advantage is that user can get results from multiple search engines without having to visit each in turn. So that is the difference from Google search and Meta search engine. While you go in Google search, you will find individually for each topic. But while you enter to the Meta search engine, you will get just giving a symbol or some word. You will get the information from different engines to be assembled together and combined together and available in Meta search engines. And meta search engines assembles these results into a single unit, and the most noticeable advantage is than that of Google search is meta search engine users. Okay, the another search engine which is called dogpile.com is the best suitable example for meta search engine. So most of the time we heard about the Google search, Go or Google.com, but Dogpile.com is the one of the name or most suitable example for meta search engine. Okay, Dogpile.com fetches results from Google, Yahoo, Yandex, Bing, and the results from other popular search engines togetherly. So, search results includes those from audio and video content providers such as Yahoo. So, that is the advantage of search engines usually or commonly using the Google.com than that of Meta search engine. Okay, so Dogpile.com is one of the most modern or more advantageous search engine which is used as open source or and a free alternative of MS Office. And the academic search, the other search engines are also available free alternative as MS Office. That is, academic content browsing in reliable environment is necessary. So, as part of the research work, it is also or for the purpose of study, the academic search engines are more valuable, and academic search engines become the number one resource to turn in order to find research papers and other scholarly sources. So while you are preparing your dissertation or thesis or some research works, the academic search engines supplies more information specifically in the academic area. Okay, coming to the viewpoint, the Scopus, Web of Science, etc. are the examples of academic search engines. They give the service on payments also, and Google Scholar and Core are providing academic search of free of cost. So most of the time, the scholars or students searching this academic search engines which is used is Google Scholar or Core, CORE. And even you can use a Scopus or Web of Science for getting a specific research articles or academic books from the academic research or academic search engines also. And the one of the free cost of academic search engine is Google Scholar. Google Scholar is the most popular free cost academic search engine. It is a subsidiary of Google.com, which embeds the power of Google searches with the research papers and the patents. So all these research papers and patent information you will get from the Google Scholar. So it is also a free alternative of MS Office or open source for academic search. It provides, that is Google Scholar provides facility to find research papers for all academic disciplines for free, but also often provides link to full text PDF files also. And Google Scholar is very dynamic in nature, and it covers approximately 200 million articles in this, and a snippet of the abstract is available when browsing. So your work area in connection with the dissertation or thesis or scientific publication, you will take patience and go through the Google Scholar and find it. Sometimes as a beginner you will take some more time to get the appropriate or proper information, but while you try your level best again and again, you will get information about your work also. And coming to the educational sites related to biological sciences, internet is the largest data repository available in the world, and its connected nature is providing an environment to share the content irrespective of the boundaries of the country. So within the country, only the searches which are limited in the ancient period, but nowadays you can search all over the world within a click or by using such educational search engines using google.com or dongpile.com. Okay, it provides the facility to know recent trends in appropriate research areas. So you can avoid the unintentional repetition and appropriate formulation of research work and the statistical analysis, interpretation and citations, and which are available through such educational sites. And biological science also have many websites to share the developments. Some of them are Assess Excellence, diving into the gene pool, and Gene ED, and Citable, and DNAi, and PubMed. All these are the examples for educational sites related to specifically for biological sciences. And Citable is a collaborative learning space for science. It provides the facility to learn about the range of scientific subjects. Its collaborative environment with other teachers and students will provide vibrant experience. Topic rooms offers the facility to combine article, rifle, discussion, groups related to each key concept. Use topic header to connect with plenty of resources connected with the subjects. That is the importance of the Citable search engine coming under educational site. And the another one is, the major one is DNAi, is the short name of DNA Interactive. DNAi is a project of DNA Learning Center. It is a project that prepares academic aspirants in the world of DNAs. The internet site is part of a larger DNA project developed by an international collaboration of scientists, educators, and filmmakers. So this is also one of the work beneficial educational site related to biological science, and these are all the open source and free alternative of MS Office for research purposes. Okay, thank you.